YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. Excuse my voice, I just woke up. So this is all from Tuesday morning. I went to a different one. Still in my area, but I'm going out of town today, so hopefully I'll be able to find what I'm looking for. But I did get the third different color set of felt. This is the pastels. It's $2.99, 1972177, and these are the colors. So you got your pinks, your greens, your purples, your whites, and your blues. And these are the pastel colors. They also came in the black and white pack, and they came in the bold pack, which was the red, the blues, and greens. Your primary colors, I'm sorry, is what it was called. And these are DIY crafts, and the size of these are 9 by 12. So they're 10 count. So this will fit the whole entire page of an art journal page. So very nice size. You can do a lot of cutting up with that. So with that, I saw some more of the WRMK Snap ones that I hadn't seen in other stores. And sorry about that. Lighting looks a little bright. I don't know if I need to close these blinds. It's kind of that dreary looking day, if that's any better. But anyway, so I decided to get these. I'm hoping to find the bars. I know they are in Tuesday mornings. They haven't been in any of mine. So I'm going out of town this morning. So I'm hopefully I can find it in one of their Tuesday mornings. But anyway, so, or maybe we'll get it in next week. But we've gotten pretty much all the different boxes. Okay, something just fell off my desk. So these are the large washi tape clips. I already got the small ones, so these are the large ones. They are $1.99, 202-9534. You can take that SKU number, call the 1-800 product number, and your zip code, and they'll let you know if you have these items in your area. So again, these just go like on some metallic strips on the wall. And then you can put your washi, your ribbon, different things just using these clips. And you can take them on and off individually instead of having to take everything off the roll. So, good price. So, I got 2 of those. And then I got 3 more of the large storage bottle clips for $1.99, 202-9528. So, these, you know, you put your buttons, your washi, your glitter, your sequins, just little, you know, wood pieces, anything that can fit in these shapes. It doesn't say the size of one of these, but they look like a taller Tic Tac box. But I don't see dimensions. So only 3 in here in the box. So, you know, so 3 the size of your hand. But maybe I can order online if I don't find the strips. So let's see. So I also got 2 stereo die, well, 1 stereo die. This is the other silver and gold. It's called Flower Fold, and this would be great for cutting things like this. Although you can do it regular dies too as well, but this you can cut a lot of different textures with it. So this is 1985765. I pretty much have all the Boston folders and the stamp and die sets that go in this collection. Then have this one. So that's what that looks like on the back. So several flowers. And if I didn't read the number, 1985765. Got a couple paper ephemera. Jane Hatfield. And this is 203-8619. It's 40 pieces, $1.49. You got some gold 4 pieces in here as well, and some word sentiments. And sort of springy, you have butterflies, flamingos, watermelon, bicycles, and things like that. So, and then of course I got the Shimelle. I actually got 2 of these, and they're $1.99. It says holographic on it. It's 30 pieces each. I haven't seen the paper, but I still like the little pieces. So you got some regular ones and then the holographic ones. 202-9468. And these have October of 18, so I guess they came out early for all the people that's mahauling these. They weren't supposed to come out till October, so I don't know if they have anything out this weekend or next weekend for the sale. I didn't even look at the ad. This is the Good Vibes, which I think a lot of these colors will, you know, match your Maggie Holmes. It has cork in here as well as your ephemera, even some cork paper tabs. 202-8507, and it's 45 pieces, and these are the pieces. So I like the cork in there, give it a little bit more texture as well. Oh, sorry, I forgot this one by Shimelle Glimmer Girl, 6-piece, and these are just the paper clips. They all got little, they don't shake though. They're embedded in there, I think. Do they shake? Nope. I thought this one did. I know the other ones did, but that one looks like it might could shake because the way the stars are aligned on it. I have to take it out and shake it. This is $1.99, 2029471. So I have the ephemera, the stickers, the epoxy, all the stuff. I just need the paper. I did pick up one other die, and this is a Sheena one. Of course, Crafter's Companion is the company, but this is a Sheena Douglas design Sheena. It's called Voyage of Discovery. I did not realize the Rain Man was out. Oh, I wanted to get him. So this is one of the steampunk dies, $4.99. This is called the Time Traveler, and it is 2027969. So again, it's that traditional flip-up eyeglass that you see when you think about steampunk or time travel in those glasses. And this little piece is a spectacle that he uses right there. So, or is that a propeller? I don't know. But anyway, that's the two dies. Nice size. Steampunk feel. So I did get some paper, which didn't need any, but yeah, it's always a but when it comes to paper, I swear. Anyway, and there's so many. It's been so many I have been so good with all those Echo Park papers. I have not been buying any. Oh my God, every single one I want to get, but I didn't. I've been holding off for the last several months, but I did pick this up today. My Mind's Eye, the Bliss paper collection. I thought it was very pretty. I'm hoping to find the ephemera and the rest to go with it, but I haven't. But I didn't want to pass the paper up because I only saw it in one store. 24 double sheets and very pretty. And so that's the number 202354415. And I didn't. There we go. Very pretty paper. Gold foiling in it. And it's double-sided. So I wasn't going to let that one go, though. Because, I mean, I can't do a lot with that. Even though it's more peach than pink, so definitely. But I'm hoping to find the rest of that one. So I did get the Blast Off by My Mind's Eye as well. And the reason why I got that one, of course, you know, I have grandson. But they also have the 12x12 pad for $2.99. And it's 2035452. This comes with these paper sheets right here, as well as the sticker set, which has some little holographic kind of stuff. And I thought he would like for me to make him something out of this. And this is a 6x6 paper pad, so you can kind of see what's in there. And the number for this one is 2035416. And quick flip. Look at that, holographic letters. So it's got a couple holographic pages. And they're double-sided. And of course, they're like the bold primer colors for boys. You want bolder colors. So while I was there and I got some of the Good Vibes ephemera, I went on and got this one. So I got all my Mind's Eye papers this week. And of course, this is, there's no sticker on it. I didn't remember that, but anyway. This has some of your holographic, not holographic. Yeah, foiled. I couldn't get the word out. I'm trying to say embossed. Papers. Excuse me. So that's that one right there. No number for you. But they do have the ephemera out if you're looking for it. And then the last of My Mind's Eye is Hey Mister, because I had already picked up some of the puffy stickers and breads and stuff earlier in the chipboard pieces, but hadn't seen it in the paper. So I was excited to see the 12x12 and the 6x6 in the same store. So the 6x6 is 2035419. So if you're a dog lover, a pet lover, or just even kind of a masculine feel, so I think this could go for either way. So, and I got a die. It says red on one of the pieces of paper, and I've got a die that says red. And then here's the 12x12. Goes with the sticker sheet. 2035456. And both of these 12x12s, I could have got additional ones. I only got one because I got the 6x6. So those are the papers with that. I didn't want to get too crazy. They're both for the same price, so I just got one each, and I figured if I want to do an album, whatever, out of it, that should cover it, is what I'm hoping. Yeah. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.